Hi, this is Chris. Today we're going to update you on what's going on in the market. So currently in the housing market, obviously we're seeing some higher rates. Higher rates are due to the inflation situation. The more they raise rates, the better that is to cool down inflation. And so that's what the Fed wants, is to have these higher rates to get inflation in line. Once that gets in line, that's when we'll start to see the rates go down. When will that be? Nobody knows. Hopefully in the next 12 to 18 months, we'll start to see some rates coming down and get some more, competition for you to be able to buy in this environment. Now, that's why the rates are so high. But another issue is the inventory. So there's still multiple offer situations and the inventory is low because back in the day when we had the COVID going on, a lot of people refinanced or bought homes at lower rates. So those people are probably not going to be turning over their home unless they're being relocated for work or maybe expanding family. So there's not a ton of inventory out there and there's more buyers than there are inventory. In fact, in the next 2 to 4 years, we're going to even have another wave of buyers coming in. So until we get maybe some more new construction coming or maybe some apartment buildings being converted to maybe condos, we're going to have an inventory problem. So even though the rates are a little bit on the higher side right now, why it's a good time to buy is that if the rates go down even 1% or 1.5% in the next year, then you're going to have more people who qualify for buying a home. That means there's less inventory, more buyers. So it's always an opportune time to buy when the rates are higher, because as long as you own your home, you're able to refinance into a lower rate. So right now you've heard the term maybe marry the home, not the rate, because you want to get in this home. The rates are a little bit high, but it's not going to be forever. So if you have any questions about how a refinance works after you purchase, super easy. They take usually 15 to 30 days to close, much less difficult than when you purchase a home. So many of my clients, when they did go into higher rates, over the past 10 years, I've refinanced them multiple times to get into lower rates, lower payments. When I do that, you have options. You can do a no-cost refi, half cost or full cost. Even a full cost refi isn't that expensive in certain states. Now, in other states, they're going to be more expensive, but when you're saving 1% or 1.5%, it's going to make sense because your break even will be pretty quick. So if you have any questions or want to get pre-approved for a house, feel free to reach out to me.